The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you know that I've uploaded a video last day that how you can use Instagram to promote your CPA offers. I mean a CPA marketing related video. So there I've shown you a script what you can use to promote your CPA offers through Instagram. Now most of you are asking me that how to edit the script and add their affiliate link. So I will show you that in this video. But before I start the tutorial, make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. You will get the script download information in that video anyway. So after you download the script, the zip file, you have to extract it, and let's see the script. So as you can see, the script is looking like that, and there are a lot of offers your traffic will see when they come over to this page. Now when they select any offer to get, they will see this type of animation on their screen. But as you can see here, it's not showing anything right now because there is no affiliate link attached. So to edit this, we have to select the button HTML file, and here we have to open this with a notepad or notepad++. Then we need to replace the lock URL text with our final tracking link, I mean with our final CPA offer link or CPA content local link. So in my case, I will update it with a YouTube video. So let's see it works or not. So here we just copy a YouTube video link and paste it here. Then we're gonna save this. So after you save this, you have to close this one and then refresh and open the index file what we will upload in our hosting. So you can see that it shows us how to get audience, how to get the target audience attraction. It will process some data and give you the information. And you can see that when you click on verify, it comes to our link what we just paste there earlier. So this way you can paste your affiliate link here and work for the CPA offer or marketing. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks, and share this for more latest videos. Thank you.